Here I am. This is for Gonda. Barbara was saying, "Oh, what's that fancy thing you were doing with the F chord on Memphis, Tennessee?" Well, it's a little embellishment where I'm mimicking a bass line. So this is only for those of you who want to tread into those deeper waters. If not, don't worry about it. But with this embellishment, it's over the F chord. So the F chord stays in place. And we're adding notes in addition to that F chord. Now the embellishment looks like this. Let me slow it down. And by the way, I'm just strumming down with my right hand. So now let me break it down for you. Here's our F chord. That stays put. The movement, the action is going to take place on the C string, this one, over 2 frets, the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret. So when we're in the 2nd fret, I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to place it on that C string. Let's just try that. F, F, adding this, that note. It's a D note, by the way, but just think that it's on the C string. Now that's the simpler version of the embellishment. You can certainly start there, and I would suggest you do. But to extend it, by the way, if we do it this way, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Watch my hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's a good place to start. Now the way we extend it is this way. I'm going to add my baby finger to the 3rd fret. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start off with an F. Place your ring finger, 2nd fret, C string, 2. That's the 2nd beat. Hold it there. Now on the 3rd beat, we're going to take our baby finger. I know these are the 2 weakest fingers, but we're working them out at the gym so they get to gain some strength. I'm placing that baby finger in the 3rd fret on the C string. That's the 3rd beat. And then I release. Shoot. Let me mute my phone. Okay. What will we do without our phones? So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's basically the one I'm using with this song. Or you could do the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so fun.